Good afternoon, one and all present over here. Respected principal sir, respected all the teachers, respected seniors, respected my dear batchmates and my lovely juniors. I am Madiko Meenakshi Pradhan from first BHMS. Today I am going to represent a homeopathic medicine, Bryonia alba. Now let's see the content of Bryonia alba. First is introduction, clinicals, sphere of action, constitution, elements from Bryones personality, that is the mental general, physical general, particulars, and the last is the general modalities. Now introduction. What is Bryonia alba? The common name of the Bryonia alba is the white bryony and wild herb, and its family is Cucurbitaceae, and prover of Bryonia alba is our respected master Christian Frederick Samuel Hahnemann, Dr. Hahnemann sir. And relation hot to cold is Bryonia is a hot patient, and temperament is mental makeup of the body, that is irritable, miasm is soric, diathesis is prone to certain kind of any disease, that is the rheumatic and gouty. The clinical condition that indicated the Bryonia. First is the rheumatism, constipation, diarrhea, headache, respiratory affection, vertigo, and the last is the mastitis. The Bryonia is a good sphere of action. It acts mainly on mucous membrane, and it's also different. It also acts on the different organs like pleura, lungs, liver, mucous membrane, brain. It acts mainly on fibrous tissue and the synovial membrane. Now let's the pathogenesis of the Bryonia alba. There are the three main key points of the Bryonia alba. First is the inflammation, dryness, and the lack of secretion. The inflammation, it produces inflammation due to the irritative property of the synovial membrane, and Bryonia acts on the mucous membrane that produce dryness and the lack of secretion. Let's see the constitution of the Bryonia alba. The Bryonia alba person having dark hair and dark complexion and firm muscular fibers, highly irritable and anger, person with a tall and slender. The Bryonia symptoms arise due to first is the anger, it is the chagrin, that is the distressed state of mind, and is the mortification, that is the suppression of desireness, and the most important point position of the Bryonia is the when the days are hot and the nights are cold, suppression of discharge, skin eruptions, cold food and the cold drinks, and the complaints after taking cold or getting hot in summer. ଏଠି ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଇପାରିବା ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ ସପୋଜ୍ ଗୋଟେ ହଟ୍ରୁ କୋଲ୍ଡକୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ସପୋଜ୍ ଖରା ଦିନରେ ଆସିକି ଆମେ ରୁମ୍ରେ ହଠାତ୍ ଏସିଟା ଅନ୍ କରିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ତ ତାପରେ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଏରାଇଜ୍ ହେଉଛି ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ Bryonia ଆମେ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିପାରିବା. ଦେନ୍ ଆମେ ଗରମରେ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ସଡ଼ନ୍ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାଧି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଏରାଇଜ୍ ହେଉଛି ତାପରେ ଆମେ ସେଇଥିରେ ଆମେ Bryoniaକୁ ପ୍ରେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିପାରିବା. Then is the Bryones personality, that is the mental general. Bryonia patient are irritable, inclined to be vehement and angry. Bryonia patient both irritable and both angry in the violent manner. It is full of anxiety and mental depression. And what is the delirium talks constantly about his business. Bryonia patient ସବୁବେଳେ ତାର ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ବିଜନେସ୍ ସହିତ କମ୍ପେୟାର କରୁଥିବ, ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିବ କି ତାର ବିଜନେସ୍ କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲେଭେଲକୁ ସେ ଯାଇପାରିବ. ଯେମିତି ବିଜନେସ୍ ସହିତ କମ୍ପେୟାର କରୁଥିବ, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ସେ ଡକ୍ଟରକୁ କହିବ କି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଛି ମାନେ ମୋ ରୋଗଟା ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ଠିକ୍ ହେଇଯିବା ଦରକାର. ସେ ସେଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର କମ୍ପେୟାର ସବୁବେଳେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ସେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ସହିତ କମ୍ପେୟାର କରୁଥିବ. ଦେନ୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ the desire to get out of bed and go home although he is at home. पेसेंट से घरे थाई मध्य से चाहूथिबो कि मु केमती घर को जाए. And children dislike to be carried or to be raised. Normally childs are wants to be carried, but in Brownia patient, children dislike to be carried or to be raised. If we comparison to Camovilla, the children wants to be carried. In Sina baby also wants to be carried. Quite once carried. Desire things immediately which can be had or which when offered and refused. जदि आम गोटे एग्जांपल नहीं परिबा जदि गोटे छुआ को किछ गोटे गिफ्ट से चाहूची आमे ताको बट आमे ताको देबा किंतु से पुणी ताको नेले से रिफ्यूज कर दबा ताको. Then now let's see the physical general symptoms of Brownia alba. First is the excessive dryness of mucous membrane of entire body. As we see the dryness of all mucous membrane, the leaves and the trunks are dry, the trunks are white coated, and the little bit cracks on leaves seen in the Brownia patient. The great thirst for the large quantities at long intervals. The Brownia is the great thirst for cold water. Here the dryness in the mucous membrane of the stomach. The patient is specially for thirst for cold water. Rheumatic pains, patient is vertigo from raising from the bed. Patient गोटे बेड रू उठला में ताको ता मुंड घुरे जाउथबो. The Brownia patient desire for sweets, coffee and cold drinks. Is aversion to milk, fatty food. Fatty food like pork, cheese. तो ए सब खाइबा को टोटली पसंद नथिबो. Aversion थियो. The Brownia pains is very pains are stitching, tearing, and aggravation by least motion, and amelioration by absolute rest and lying on the painful side. ताको किछि भी मोशन टिके भी मोशन कले ताको aggravation feel होतबो एवं ताको amelioration ताको पेन जो साइड ताको पेनफुल होतबो सेही साइड ताको सोले ताको रिलीफ मिलतबो. And all conditions develop slowly. Their onset goes slowly. Now we see the particular. First is the headache, the congestion, the symptoms triggered by draft of cold air, constipation or ironing. कौन सी पेशेंट जदि ड्राफ्ट ब्लो कोल्ड एयर जो आस्तिबो देन ताको से जदि सफर होतिबो ताको तर हेडेक फील हबो. Then character of the pain is described as the brushing, stitching, and as if the brain is going to brush. ताको brushing ताको लागत फील होतिबो तो brain पे brush ले टाइप रो. Modalities aggravation from motion in the morning and when first opening his eyes. ताको motion में हम जैसे कि previous slide में देखिले कि motion में aggravation होची and morning aggravation करे headache and headache तो first होची जे तर morning रू start होवो headache and gradually increase until evening. Amelioration from lying on painful side and by pressure. Next we will the gastrointestinal symptom of the Brownia, which is the mouth. Dryness of mouth is well marked as it is a great dryness of the mucous membrane of the whole alimentary canal. As we see the lips are dry, tongue is also dry and a little bit crack on lips. Then stomach. There is a pressure in the stomach as if a stone is lying on the pit of stomach. ताको patient को feel होता है कि पेट रे stone रखले जमते pain होए ताको सेप type of pain patient को feel होता है. Then there is a nausea and fatness when rising up. ताको से बसले में ताको nausea और fatness feel होता है. That's why सबले माने उठियो को चाहतो है. And vomiting of the bile immediately से पित्त बनती करतो है. And pain in abdominal pain होता है. Then most of the pain of Brownia are relieved by pressure except the gastric pain. Then we see the constipation of the Brownia. It is the most prominent symptom of Brownia. Its congestion is as Brownia causes dryness of mucous membrane of color. It produces a very wet type of constipation. Sensation is a no inclination or desire for stools. Normally patient feels good going to the toilet, although normally one stool. Character of stool. Stool is a dry, hard, knotty, as if burnt. Concomitant symptoms. Headache is due to constipation with a dry tongue and thirst for large quantity of cold water at long intervals. Then diarrhea of the Brownia patient. It's a congestion. After taking cold food and drink, when when the days are hot and the nights are cold. It's the most important symptom of the bryonia during the spell of hot weather. तो ଯେତେବେଳେ ଝାଞ୍ଜି ପବନ ହେଉଥିବ ତାକୁ ଝାଞ୍ଜି ପବନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫିଲ୍ ହେବ ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ ଡାଇରିଆ ହେବ. Then this time is the morning diarrhea. As soon as the patient gets up from the bed and puts the feet on the floor, so ଯେତେବେଳେ ସକାଳେ ଉଠିବ ତାର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପାଦ ସେ ତଳେ ଦେବ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ ଫିଲ୍ ହେବ. Then character of the stool is the dirty and the watery stool. Modalities: this aggravation is the from slightest motion and amelioration by complete rest. Now should the respiratory system of the bryonia. Nose. Vicarious menstruation, nose bleeds at the time of menses. The cough, congestion. After taking cold or getting hot in summer from exposure to draft of cold air. Location, right side of the chest is usually involved. Character of the cough is the dry, hard and difficult. Modalities, aggravation. Cough is the more towards the night from motion when coughing, laughing, talking from heat of room. ताको कासिले, हसिले, कहिले एवं warm room रे ताको aggravation feel होतबो. Then amelioration, relief by complete rest lying on painful side. The painful side रे से सोइले ताको completely relief मिलतबो. Then next is the pneumonia. The stage in the early stage of pneumonia, bryonia is usually indicated. हमें early stage pneumonia early stage रे हमें bryonia prescribe करि परिबा. Then location, lower lobe of right lung is affected. Sensation, there is a stitching pain in the chest. While coughing, the patient holds the chest. There is a frequent desire to take deep breath. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ କାଶୁଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଚାହୁଁଥିବ ତା ଛାତିକୁ ଏମିତି ଧରି ସେ ସପୋର୍ଟ ନଥିବ ସେ ଛାତିର. Modalities, aggravation from slightest motion, entering a warm room and from the deep inspiration. Amelioration by complete rest, lying on painful side and pressure. And next is the breast. Sensation, mama feels very heavy. Character is the stony hardness, very much hot and painful. Modalities, aggravation by motion, patient must support the breast with hand while coughing or moving. जैसे कि previous slide में देखिले जे कि patient सबुले support चाहते होता हाथरो. Amelioration by absolute rest and pressure. Then these are the general modalities of the bryonia. First is aggravation from slightest motion. ताको टिके भी motion में ताको aggravate होती हो. Normally patient avoid the generally motion. Warm food and drinks, suppressed discharge, and amelioration by complete rest, lying on painful side, eating cold food and cold drinks. Thank you.
They are 12, the people, they are 19.